back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me talk through, chisme, comadriana, whatever you guys want to call it, and we are gonna be doing this look right here, which is a smoky, a very light smoky eye with glitter, and of course bright ass lip, because you know Myra, you know how Myra does. So yeah guys, so if you guys want to see how I do this video, then I suggest you guys keep on watching. And also before that, make sure you guys click that subscribe button. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention is almost all the products I'm using here are super affordable. So let's just get started. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be using the BH Cosmetics 14-piece brush set. I barely got these and I'm gonna be trying them out. I'm gonna be doing a full face. Of course, the packaging, guys, white and gold. It kind of reminds me like a Louis Vuitton kind of like pattern going on. The cool thing about this is that of course you guys could you know, put your guys' brushes in here. These work as brush holders. So you do get 14 brushes. If you are a fan of white and gold, you're gonna love them. On sale. I believe these are sold out at the time right now, so if you're watching this video, they are probably sold out, but I would suggest that you guys go watch their, go check out the website and see if they're still in stock. So the first thing I'm gonna be is priming my face, and I've been using this lately. This is the Cetaphil Daily Hydrating Lotion for dry, extra dry skin. Lately my skin has been getting super dry, and over the winter, over December, my skin got super dry. Like, you guys have no idea, it was like hurting so bad around this area right here. It was hurting. I couldn't even wear makeup because it was so dry. It just hurt. Why do I feel like my backdrop is like... Taking the Adept Cosmetics concealer, this little Conceal Correct Cancel Contour Volume 1 Artist Pro Water Resistant freaking palette. That was like so long. So I'm gonna be taking one of these brushes right here, and I'm gonna be just concealing this right here, this big ass pimple right here, because it's ruining my life. So I'm gonna be putting this color, this one right here, a little bit darker, and I'm gonna be applying it right there, just on the spots that I feel like are, and I know a lot of people will do color correcting, but I feel like this is what works for me. Gonna be blending it out. And again guys, this is the Real Technique sponge, very affordable, way affordable than the real beauty blender, than the actual beauty blender. So you guys could find this at Ulta, you guys could find them at Walmart. Sometimes they have specials and all that. You just gotta look. Next, I'm gonna be cleaning my eyebrows. So I'm gonna be taking the smallest little brush that they have, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna be taking this color, and I'm gonna be just applying that on my eyebrow. As you guys know, while I'm doing this, let's talk. As you guys know, the whole YouTube update thing, where small content creators like myself, we're not gonna be getting paid no more because we don't meet their expectations, meaning we don't have the subscribers that they want, the views and all that. So we're not gonna be getting paid. It sucks, you guys, it really does suck. As soon as I saw the email, I was like, what the fuck, like, is this true? Is this spam? Like, is this real? Because sometimes you be getting those PayPal fake ass freaking emails asking you to put your information in. So I'm like, is this even real? And it was. All of a sudden, like, the bomb exploded. A shitload of people started getting these messages, and it sucks. Like, it really sucks. So I'm gonna be taking this brush, and I'm just gonna be blending that. Just blending it out. Now what I'm gonna be doing is, since I already prepped my skin, I'm gonna be applying my foundation, and I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte 128. I'm gonna be using that, and I will be taking this brush right here, this one right here, And I'm gonna be applying my foundation with that. Usually I don't like applying foundation with brushes, but I am gonna, like I said guys, I'm gonna be trying to use other brushes to finish the look. So that means I have to do this too. So I'm gonna just dip my foundation in here and then just go like this. So getting back to the subject guys, I know a lot of small YouTubers that are just gonna, you know, give up, that are gonna be closing their accounts, that are just gonna abandon their channel. But you know what? Before YouTube even paid people, you know, we joined to have fun. Because I remember when I started YouTube was when I became a full-time stay-at-home mom, because I used to work so much. You guys have no idea. I used to go to work, and I used to have school full-time. I used to work full-time, have school full-time, and that it was to the point where I wouldn't even see my son, and it sucked. You know what I mean?
Love you.
Huh?
Love you.
I love you too. Since I got pregnant and then I had my daughter, I still was working. I still was freaking working. So my boyfriend's like, you know what, just stay home, you just take care of the kids and I'll work. So, you know, I became a stay-at-home mom and I decided to do YouTube. You know, I've always liked it. I've always liked talking. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna start my channel. And I did. I started, and I'm like, you know what, if it goes good, you know, then I might even, you know, I might even make money off of it. But I did it for fun, guys. I did it to entertain myself, because being a stay-at-home mom, you know, sometimes you're like stressed out because it's so much work being a mommy. So yeah, so that's why I did it. I'm gonna be using this thing right here, excuse the dirtiness. This one right here is a beauty blender. This is their freaking sponge, so I'm gonna be using it. So I'm gonna be taking that because I'm not really seeing that much. Not really seeing that much, you know, thing down here. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm gonna be taking the concealer again. I'm gonna be taking the same brush that I used to apply to cover up my freaking imperfections, and I'm gonna be using this color right here, and I'm just gonna be adding it on my eyes as a base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna be taking this right here, the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette, and I'm gonna be taking this brush now, the blending brush. I'm gonna be taking some of this, and I'm gonna be setting that on my eyes, just so I won't get no crease or anything like that. I'm gonna be taking my Adept Cosmetics Love for All palette. This is my magnetic palette, which I did transfer my eyeshadows here, and I am gonna be taking this brown right here, and I'm gonna be putting that all over my crease. That's gonna be my transition color. And I'm gonna be using the same brush that I used to set my eye, my eyes. Damn it, I can't even talk, and I'm just gonna be blending. And let me tell you guys, these brushes are so freaking like soft, like they're workable. You could easily blend like so easy, God. Just blend, blend, blend. And it takes time, guys. It takes time, you know, to learn how to blend, because, you know, we all started learning at some point. We all started not blending anything, you know what I mean? And there's still those people out there that will still criticize other people that do their makeup. They have a really sharp ass line, and then they just start talking shit, like, you know what I mean? Like, you gotta remember, you once barely knew how to wipe your ass, you know what I mean? And you're over there, you know, like criticizing other people that are barely learning. Like, instead of criticizing them, help them, you know? I don't know, I'm like that. I'm gonna be taking this Milani, and again, guys, this is all affordable stuff, you know, except the beauty blenders and all that. But I'm gonna be taking this Milani Galaxy. This is a constellation cream eyeliner, Evening Star, and I'm taking this. This is like a freaking like almost like a pomade almost, but that's how it looks like. And I'm gonna be taking this brush, which is the one that I use for my For my concealer, you know what? I'm not gonna be taking this one. I think I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one right here. And I'm gonna be taking some of that black. And I'm gonna be applying that over my lid carefully. Just applying it. Now the look that I'm gonna be doing today is gonna have glitter, guys. I know a lot of people do not like glitter. I don't know why, but I love it. So I'm gonna be using that. Like I'm gonna be, my nose. I'm gonna be applying glitter to this look. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this brush, the same brush that I use for my transition color, and I'm gonna be blending the black out. Okay, so now I have both eyes blended. As you guys could see, I'm not gonna be adding any other shadow on top, no black shadow. You guys could do that if you want to intensify the darkness of your eye. You guys could do that too, but I'm not gonna do it now. I'm gonna be, now here comes the fun part. I'm gonna be adding glitter now. I'm gonna be using, I was gonna be using this one, but I'm not. I'm gonna be using these bold cosmetic, this one's oh yeah, Glitter My World, these little glitters right here. I believe this was like $1. So yeah guys, so I'm gonna be doing a whole video talking about what glitters I use and how much they are and all this. But let me tell you guys, I do use a lot from glittermyworld.com. These are, look how big this little thing is, and it was only $1. So you get a lot of product in there, and they have such a variety. Make sure you guys get the cosmetic ones to put in your eyes. But unless you're a risk taker like me, you know, you'll put any kind of freaking glitter. But anyway, so I'm gonna be using the this one's called Vanity Gray. This one's like a gray glitter. So I'm gonna be applying that on my eyes. I'm gonna be taking this brush, which is the one that I use as concealer. I need to clean this out because I don't want this to get messed up. So let me clean this brush really quick. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this little concealer brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be opening this little jar, and it's beautiful. Like, it's really, really pretty. Look at that. It's really, really pretty, and oh my god, this is like ready to fall off. So what I like doing is I like wetting my brush, like literally soaking my brush in glitter, and just adding it, just like tapping it, like dabbing it on my eye. Now I am using the Mario Badescu spray. It's in this bottle right here. The reason why I put it in this bottle is because I like MAC's, you know, their little spray nozzle. It's way easier, so that's why it's in here. But yeah, you guys could find it on Ulta as well, the Mario Badescu rose water spray. So I'm gonna be applying this on my lid, just slowly like this. Slowly, so you get all that product in there, the spray. That's funny, guys, because my boyfriend, he gets so nervous. Like, it's funny, you know why? Because sometimes we go out and I'm like, you know, I'm always at the makeup section. So I'm like, babe, I'm like, you know, can you give me this? He's like, is that glitter? And he's like, you're gonna go blind. Like, he's very cautious. Very, very cautious, guys. Very, very cautious. If he sees glitter in my eye, he's like, oh my god, you're gonna go blind. Like, why are you putting that shit in your eyes? You know, don't you see that thing's gonna go in your eye? You're gonna go blind. So, you know, that's something that I like about him, is that he cares. But it's funny because, you know, he really doesn't know the difference between cosmetic glitter and all this. So, but it's cute, you know, how he worries. So now I'm gonna be removing the powder right here, and I'm gonna be taking this brush, the biggest ass brush right here. Well, you know what? I'm gonna be taking this one right here, this one, and I'm gonna be removing the powder. Just removing it, and oh my god, seriously guys, I'm like so surprised. The quality of these freaking brushes are like so good. Like, they're so soft. They're so soft and easy to work with. Okay, now that I took that off, we're gonna contour. Let me tell you guys a little story. I never knew how to contour. I learned just by watching videos on YouTube. By watching. That's how I learned. So I'm gonna be taking this one, my angled brush, and I'm gonna be dipping it on this, and I'm going to be so this one's not so like dark, so it's all good, you know. So I'm gonna be taking this brush, this little thing right here, but this is usually what I use to contour, and I'm gonna be just going like this, guys. Honestly, if you guys could invest in this, get it. It works so good. So I'm just gonna be using this contour my nose. Contour my nose. I'm going to be using as a blush, I'm gonna be using this Milani baked blush called Coralina. This one right here, and I'm gonna be taking this brush right here, the one that I like, and just swirling it in there and putting it on my cheeks. This is a really, really nice color. It's like a peachy color. A lot of YouTubers were talking about this color. It's really, really, really nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking the Wet n Wild Mega Last Illuminating Palette. This is their highlighting palette, and they have this color right here, guys. Look how pretty that is. So I'm gonna be taking this brush, and I'm gonna be using this, just swirling it around because I want all the colors. Oh my god, this has a lot of fallout. And then, oh my god, oh, I almost dropped that. I'm gonna be spraying my brush only because I want my color to be super, like, I want it to be like really like standing out, you know, like making me a really, really cute little glow. It's not so exaggerated, but it's really, really nice. So now, guys, I am gonna be applying the lashes and then the mascara, and then I'll come back so I could show you guys about the lips. Okay, so as far as lips, kind of going towards a pink color. I really don't want to do no freaking like colors like this, but you know what, I don't know. So I have the Milani, and I have this one that's by Beauty Creations, the matte, their pink lipstick. And then I have this one, which is my favorite, the liquid lipstick by ColourPop. This one's in Strip. Yeah, in Strip. And this one makes my lips look a little bit fuller. But I want something like pink, you know, pink. But I feel pink is like super Barbie. So I think I'm going to be using this color, pink, by Milani. And this one's the color Matte Diva. I don't know if they still have it. I don't know, guys. You guys will have to check. Oh my god. This is the first time that I use this, and I'm quite impressed. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this is the first time that I do a get ready with me chit chat cheese midtime, whatever you guys want to call it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know, and I will keep on doing these kind of videos, because usually when I do a tutorial, I do a voiceover. So I'm not really like interacting with you guys. Again, guys, thank you guys so much for your support. Remember to subscribe, what the fuck, remember to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys on my next one.